Searching for value? Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper is a Black Friday bargain. Here's why it's worth every dollar. Hey there, friends. Today I have to tell you about the Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper. Picture this, a 4-in-1 vegetable chopper that's like having your own sous chef in the kitchen. Yep, that's the Fullstar Pro Chopper for you. Need to dice, slice, or chop veggies in a jiffy? This is your go-to tool. Plus, it comes with a container, making food prep a breeze. You can save 50% on Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper, and trust me, once you start using it, you won't know how you cooked without it. It's no wonder this is hailed as the best kitchen chopper of 2025. So, level up your cooking game with the Fullstar Veggie Slicer and say goodbye to tedious chopping. Give yourself the gift of efficiency in the kitchen and save 50% on Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper. Happy cooking, folks, and here's a fun thought. If Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper had magic powers, it'd make this Black Friday perfect. But the price alone is magic enough. Your Black Friday shopping list isn't complete without Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper. Click now to make it yours. Save 50% today on this amazing product.